All right, excuse me, we are recording. This is our first letter of the last name, 3-box leaf mixer. If there's only one name on the card, like Pele or Ichiro, it'll go to the first letter of the one name on the card. If it's a hyphenated last name like Smith-Jones, that would go to the S. If it's an unhyphenated last name like Kerry Walsh Jennings, that would go to the J. Multiplayer cards, you got to own 50% or more. That's 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 4 of an 8-way. Otherwise, it goes to the randomizer. Could come and play. We got people with 2 and 3 spots. You never know. Get my bags out for my bagging and tagging. And my dummy cards for my dummy cardness. Alright, that should cover everything. Good luck. We'll do the pro set first. 2 hits here, 4 in each of the other 2 boxes. All autographs. All autographs. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. For the old Pittsburgh Pirate legend, Bill Mazeroski. For the M is in Mike. La 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 Lemmy. Last spot Mojo. It is numbered 1 of 7. I think we got a multi-autograph card. This is a dual, I think. Trevor Lawrence and Zach Wilson. Dualistic. L&W. A&W Root Beer has half of it. SD Tigers has half of it. So that's going to be a random between SD Taggers and Patty Mac Pat. What's up, Lynchmeister? How you doing? How you doing, Lynchmeister? Come on, open up. Quit sticking. There we go. They might be both watching. They're both out of it. This is our second break. The third break's full already, and fantasy's almost in single digits, so above average tonight, Lynchmeister. All right, this one is 4 of 5. Michael Vick. For the V is in victory. JRA. What you got going on tonight, Lynchmeister? Card number 2 from box number 2 is 2 of 5. Looks like the Magic Man, Magic Johnson. Are you all buff now? You like buff? Johnson J. Gary, GTGD Gary, gets a 2 of 5, Magic Man. Third card from the second box. 17 of 50. Looks like a soccer dude. Richardson. I don't know. One of those crazy one-name soccer dudes for the R. Leo gets himself a soccer dude. Last card of the second box. Looks like we have another duel. Oh, somebody called it. Steph Curry and Rick Barry. Steph Curry and Rick Barry, 2 of 10. Jamel has C. Mr. Blaine has B. 2 men enter, 1 man leaves. 2 Golden State Warrior legends, Rick Barry and Steph Curry. Jamel called it. He said he thought there was going to be a Steph Curry coming. Man, these boxes want to stick today. There we go. There we go. I knew it wanted to come open eventually. Empty box. Yeah, this stuff produces really nice cards for the price point, definitely. All right, here we go. Last box, last 4 autographs. Good luck if you haven't hit. 15 of 50, another soccer dude. This one is Nico Gonzalez. JRA picking up his second card. Can't stop him. Both the G and the V hit. We got a Montana last night, but we usually get a lot of Montanas. 10 of 40. Allen Iverson. The Answer. Wasn't his nickname The Answer? Allen Iverson. Jamel. C.I. Two cards left. And we got 2 randoms. One of them is a big one. 1 of 6. Cal Ripken Jr. for the R. R. Ripken. That's Leo. Leo gets a second card. The R spot doing well. Last card before the randoms. 5 of 9. Iron Mike Tyson for the T as in Tom. That's the ET phone home spot. All right, first random is going to be Trevor Lawrence and Zach Wilson. Trevor Lawrence and Zach Wilson. All right, get to a randomizer, young man. All right, we got Trevor Lawrence on top, so it's L, W, L, W. LW, LW, we go 3 times only. Whoever's on top after 3 times, whatever letter, that's where it's going to go. Good luck. 1, 2, and this is the third and final time. Goes to Zach Wilson, the A&W root beer spot for Patty Mac Pat. Patty Mac Pat. And the next one we have is Rick Barry and Steph Curry. Curry's on top. So we got C, B, C, B. All right. CB, CB, Curry and Barry. Going to go 3 times. Whatever letter's on top, that's where the card's going to go. 1, 2. This is the third and final time. Goes to B, Rick Barry. 3B. B as in boy is Mr. Blaine. All right, let me get these done up real quick. B is Blaine. Oh, you're going to town tonight on that one. Lynchmeister's got a basketball lineup just a rolling tonight. All right. Get this back. Stop the video. It's a 3-sport 12-box Mixalicious.